Guys, so for this video we're going to be unboxing the Halloween 2018 4K steelbook from Best Buy. This is a limited edition. I was actually pretty lucky to actually get this one. I think I woke up like at 6 in the morning the day it released, and I was able to place a in-store pickup. I know a lot of people were kind of upset because the stock was very limited, but I was lucky enough to be able to get one. Okay, so this one's going to be a matte type finish with, I guess, like metallic going on. This is the back of the steelbook. This is also like this glossy finish right here, and the rest around it is going to be metallic, matte like. It does come with a digital code. Here's the inside of the steelbook. Get the 4K disc and then the Blu-ray disc. The full inside of it. And then the full steelbook. So yeah guys, thanks for watching.